So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is the thing. I think you are not able to see this. This is HD video converter. This is VGA to AV and HDMI to AV. So in this video I will show you how to work this. So everyone want to convert your video from VGA to AV called analog video. AV is like a cable. I will show you the cable. So this is the AV cable, and all these analog TVs like this have this input only. So if you want to play your PC or laptop in old TV, you need this converter. So in this video I will explain how work this. So watch this video until end and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So let's begin. So hello everyone, this is the HD video converter, full HD 1080p. So it works like no need install driver, portable, flexible, plug and play. Low power, no need power supply. Output the audio synchronization with video. High bandwidth capability, support 1920 into 1080 pixel 60 Hz. So this is the application example. I want to convert my VGA signal to a AV signal. So here is the product. Let's unbox this. So here is the mini VGA to AV. It has VGA audio. So when the AV output, it will need audio in. So in this video I will show and check this out how it's work. So here is the USB power, and here is this power on off switch, and nothing to on this. So let's test this device, and after testing I will show inside this box. So in box we will find this device and this power cable. This is USB V3 power input cable. It needs 5 volt. So I'll show how it's connected. Connect to this way, and this will go into your any USB power option. It's powered up. Now need to check. Okay, let's go. So this is the VGA to AV converter, and here is input VGA and input audio. Here is power on off switch. I will show how it works. So this is the monitor. It has AV input. Look at this. Here is AV out, and here is AV in. So AV in is 3.5mm jack. So we need this cable. So this is 1:3 cable. Put this into AV in. Now it's time to input VGA. There is a problem with this monitor. So look at this. This is VGA to AV input and it's working fine. I'm working with my PC, so it's nice working. When I get out of this will show no signal. So here is our VGA to AV cable diagram. It's work, and you will be able to play all types of things. So here is my laptop display connected with this. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.